In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install an extension into your Chrome browser. An extension is a little program that adds useful features and functionality to your browser. And you can see here in the upper right-hand corner, these are some extensions that I have already installed into Chrome. And each of them does something a little bit different. The extension that we're going to install today is an extension that when you click on a Mail To link in a browser window, it will open up in Gmail instead of in GroupWise. So if you're in Infinite Campus and you click on a parent's email address, it will open up a new Compose window in Gmail instead of in GroupWise. A very useful extension. So to add an extension, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the new tab window. And right here is the new tab. So go ahead and click on that, and that will open up a new tab. Now you should see your applications that you have installed. If you don't see that, you're probably looking at the most visited pages, the pages that you visit most often. And if you come down here to the bottom, you notice that applications is right next to that. Just go ahead and click on apps. And we're looking for the Chrome Web Store, and that should be there by default. So go ahead and click on that. You can also get to the Chrome Web Store by typing in chrome.google.com/webstore. chrome.google.com/webstore. Now there are a variety of things here in the web store. Some of them are applications, but remember we're looking for an extension. One way that you can do is you can actually search through the store if you know what you're looking for, or you kind of know what you're looking for, you can do a search. But we're going to go down and click on extensions because that's the category that we want to look through. And then you have different categories for your extensions that you can go ahead and look through. The extension that we're looking for is by Google. So we're going to go ahead and click by Google to bring up their extensions. Now all of these extensions have been created by Google. So the extension that we're looking for is Send from Gmail. Send from Gmail. So it's right here. If you hover your cursor over the top of it, it tells you a little bit about what the extension does. So this one says it makes Gmail your default email application. That's what we want. If you click on this button, it's going to give you more detail about what the extension does. You'll also be able to see reviews from other people and related extensions. So we can see that it's got some pretty good ratings, a large number of ratings, and over almost 400,000 people are using this particular extension. So that's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and click the blue Add to Chrome button. And it's going to check, are you sure you want to install this? And we want to go ahead and say Install. Once it's installed, it will tell you that it's installed. It says it's now installed, and you will see a new little icon appear in your extensions. And so we can test this to make sure it works. So if I go to Infinite Campus, here I have a student's information. I want to email the parent. Here is the email link. If I click on that email link, it is now going to open up a new Compose window in Gmail with that parent's address. So instead of copying and pasting the address, which you could do, into a new Compose window, that's how you can use an extension to do the same thing.